Hi, friends. Welcome to Pattu Tales. This is where we share inspiring stories for kids and helpful parenting tips for all the amazing moms and dads out there. If you're looking to raise happy, confident, and smart children, you're in the right place. Let's talk about something really important: your child's brain development in the early years. You know, the first few years are like magic. The brain is growing super fast, and what we do as parents can make a huge difference. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 10 simple and powerful tips that you can start doing right away to boost your baby's brain power. Don't worry, it's all easy, practical, and works beautifully during your everyday routine. Let's get started. One of the best things you can do for your baby's brain is just talk to them. Yes, talk as you do things, like, "Let's wash your hands," or "I'm cutting the apple now." Even if they can't talk back, their brain is learning so much from your words and tone. And if your baby points or babbles, respond to them. Say things like, "Oh, do you want the red ball?" This back and forth builds strong brain connections and also helps with emotional bonding. Reading every day is another beautiful habit to build. Even if it's the same book again and again, keep going. Children love repetition, and their brain actually learns faster that way. Point at the pictures, make fun sounds, and just enjoy the moment together. Over time, you'll see your little one remembering words and even finishing the sentences. Next, use flashcards with real pictures. Show them an apple, a car, an animal, and clearly say the name. Do it for just a few minutes each day when your child is fresh and alert. This builds memory, attention, and object recognition. It's simple, but so effective. Babies and toddlers love to touch, feel, and explore. Give them safe things like a bowl of water, soft cloth, sand, or textured toys. Let them get messy and curious. These sensory experiences stimulate brain areas related to touch, movement, and curiosity. Pretend play is where the magic happens. Let your child be a doctor, a chef, or even a superhero. You can join them too. Give them simple props or toys and let them create their own stories. This kind of play helps with creativity, problem solving, and emotional growth. Sing songs together, rhymes, silly tunes, or even make up your own. Clap your hands, tap your feet, dance together. Music helps with memory, rhythm, and language skills. And honestly, it brings so much joy. Even a few minutes of music play each day goes a long way. Math starts way before school, just in daily life. Count steps while walking, fruits while eating, or toys while cleaning up. Give your child puzzles, blocks, or let them sort colors and shapes. These small activities help build logic, memory, and focus. Children feel safe and secure with routines. Simple things like regular sleep times, cuddles before naps, and gentle words throughout the day. These all help your child feel loved and settled. And when they feel safe, their brain can focus on learning, exploring, and growing. This one's a little tricky, I know, but too much screen time, especially in young kids, can slow down their learning. Try to keep screen time minimal and instead, encourage more real-life play. Spend time with them, go outside, or just do small activities together. Your presence is more powerful than any screen. So there you go, dear parents. 10 simple and powerful ways to support your child's brain development, starting today. Remember, you don't need fancy toys or big plans. Your voice, your love, your time. That's what builds a brilliant brain. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you even a little, please give it a like, share it with your fellow parents, and don't forget to subscribe to Pattu Tales. See you in the next video, with more stories, tips, and love for your little ones.